Welcome to Yuseong Stay, your perfect urban sanctuary in the heart of Seoul. If you are ready to begin your Korean adventure, simply scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description below to secure your booking immediately. Nestled in the vibrant Mapo-gu district, Yuseong Stay offers the ultimate blend of convenience, comfort, and local charm. Whether you are visiting for a high-powered business trip or a leisurely sightseeing holiday, our location puts you exactly where you need to be. We are strategically situated near the airport railroad, making your arrival and departure from Incheon International Airport incredibly seamless. Forget the stress of long commutes. With direct rail access, you can transition from the terminal to your cozy room in record time. For those eager to explore the city's most iconic landmarks, we are just a quick and easy transit ride away from the world-famous shopping and street food paradise of Myeongdong. You can spend your days discovering high-end fashion, tasting incredible local delicacies, and soaking in the electric atmosphere of the city, knowing that a peaceful retreat awaits you here. At Yuseong Stay, we pride ourselves on providing more than just a place to sleep. Our rooms are designed with a modern, minimalist aesthetic that emphasizes relaxation and functionality. Each space is thoughtfully curated to provide a restful environment, featuring premium bedding, high-speed Wi-Fi, and all the essential amenities required for a modern traveler. After a long day of exploring the bustling streets of Seoul, you can unwind in a space that feels like a home away from home. The guest experience is at the core of everything we do. From our seamless check-in process to our attentive service, we aim to ensure your stay is nothing short of exceptional. You will find yourself surrounded by the local energy of Mapo-gu, with trendy cafes, authentic restaurants, and essential services all within walking distance. It is the perfect base for travelers who want to experience the authentic pulse of Seoul while enjoying the ease of modern hospitality. Don't leave your Seoul itinerary to chance. Experience the perfect balance of accessibility and tranquility by staying with us. To view our current seasonal rates and special offers, please scan the QR code on your screen now or check the link provided in the video description. We look forward to welcoming you to Yuseong Stay very soon.